This is section 5.4. Okay, page 270, 1 to 43 odd. So there's some problems. Some more. And it should just be on that one page. Yeah, here we go. Answers in the back of the book. 5.4. Yeah, you should be able to see all that there. Okay. Okay, number 1, 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 1. He has to name the polynomial. This is called a polynomial. There are 3 terms, 1, 2, 3. 3 terms means it's called a trinomial. If there are 2 terms, like number 5, that's a binomial. There's only 1 term, it's a monomial. So mono, bi, and tri. 1 term, 2 terms, 3 terms. How about 4 terms? We don't call it anything. You say a polynomial with 4 terms. Okay. Then the problem asks for the degree. The degree is the highest exponent on the variable. So this is considered 3rd degree. The highest exponent is a 3. This one is 1st degree because the highest exponent is a 1. This is 2nd degree because the highest exponent is a 2. So trinomial, 3rd degree, 3 terms. Binomial, 2 terms. 1st degree, the highest exponent is a 1. Monomial, only 1 term. And 2nd degree. Okay, 13, they write it all the way out, but I lined it up because when you line it up like this, it's easy to see what the like terms are. So if you add this to this, you just combine like terms. So 2x squared plus 3x squared is 5x squared. 3x plus 2x is 5x. 4 plus 5 equals 9. So again, in the book, they write it all out like so, but I arrange it vertically. 19, combine like terms. 6x squared, there's no other x squared. 5, there's no other number, but these two I can combine, so negative 13x. So 6x squared minus 13x plus 5. Okay, 27, again, I decided it's easier if I write it vertically. They write it all the way across, but I line up the x squareds, the x's, and the numbers. Now, this looks bad, but actually not as bad as you might think. 2/3 x squared plus 4/3 x squared. 2/3 plus 4/3 is 6/3. 2. Negative 1/5 minus 4/5, that's negative 5 over 5. That's negative 1. So negative 1x, but if it's negative 1x, just write negative x. And negative 3/4 plus 7/4 is 4/4, 1. So it wasn't so bad after all. Okay, 33, again, they wrote it all the way across, but I lined it up vertically. One big difference, though, it's this plus this minus parentheses this. So in this particular case, I decided to distribute the negative. So copy 4y squared plus 5y squared minus 13y squared. Negative 3y plus 12y minus a minus 6y becomes a plus 6y. And then 2 minus 4 minus 20. And then I combine them. Okay, so 4 plus 5 is 9, minus 13 is negative 4y squared. The 3 y's here, negative 3 plus 12 is 9, plus 6 is 15y. 2 minus 4 is negative 2, minus 20 is negative 22. Okay, and then at the very end, a little bit tricky, it says subtract from. So 3741. If it says subtract from, you have to take the second one minus the first one. Subtract from. Subtract blah, blah, blah from the sum. Okay, so if it ever says subtract from, it's the second minus the first. So even though they wrote this second and wrote this first, you have to go 11y squared plus 11y plus 11 parentheses minus parentheses 3y squared plus 7y minus 15. So subtract from means the second minus the first. Okay, distribute here. Leave that alone. Minus, minus, plus. Then combine like terms. 11y squared minus 3y squared is 8y squared. 11y minus 7y is a positive 4y. 11 plus 15 is 26. Okay, 41 also says subtract from. Subtract this from the sum. So sum means I add this up and then minus the first thing that we had. Okay, so this is 3x minus 2 plus 11x plus 5 minus 2x minus 1. And then 3x plus 11x minus 2x, 12x, negative 2 plus 5 minus 1 plus 2. Okay, so this is section 5.4.